Good morning everyone. In this video I am going to present about linking devices. Linking devices are more important in English grammar. They are going to joining two words, two sentences, two phrases, two clauses. Here linker are words that relate one idea or sentence of the text with another. They connect the idea of ideas logically. Here there are many examples about linkers. Because is the linker, it is going to join in two sentences. We have to wait because is the linking device, it is going to join in two sentences. We have to wait because it was raining. Then sake of raining we are going to waiting where inside. Similarly, is also a linking device. It is used in a sentence. How we are going to using in a sentence means life is difficult in extreme poles. Similarly, it is horrible near to equatorial regions. Here, similarly is the linking device. Nevertheless, Raju did not perform well in the exam. Nevertheless, he got a distinction English. Nevertheless, is the linking device. Raju did not perform well in the examination, so that he got a distinction in English. Therefore, I hate politicians. Therefore, I do not attend their speeches. Here, therefore, is the linking device. Then, moreover is the linking word. It is going to join in two sentences. English is my subject. Moreover, I like it most. Moreover is the linking device. Since, since she is my best friend, I trust her. Since is using for various purpose. Then I have used only one example in this video. On account, on account of Ganesh festival, the college remains closed. Here, on account. Then hence, I am busy today, hence I cannot meet you. Hence is the linking device. So, she is my best friend, so I help her always. Then you are my best friend, so I am going to helping you. Consequently, she convinced her parents, consequently, they approved her plans. Consequently is the linking device. He is poor but handsome. Then but is the linking device. It is going to joining two words or two sentences in a sentence. You are intelligent, still you have to work hard. Then still is the linking device. My friend is lazy, whereas his father is intelligent. Whereas is the linking device. My friend is lazy, whereas his father is intelligent. I am poor, so I cannot visit Japan. So is the linking device in a sentence. She came after they had finished their work. After is the linking device that we are going to using in a sentence. I was sad because I lost my father. Then I was sad because is the linking device. It is going to joining two sentences in a two sentence. It is going to joining two sentences. If I became CM, I will be happy. If is the helping verb. If I became CM, I will be happy. I waited till my friend came. Till is the joining word, linking device. Please stay where you are. Where is the linking device? That it is going to joining two sentences. He is watching TV while I am sleeping. While is the linking device. He is not only a singer but also a dancer. Then he is not only a singer but also is the linking device. It is going to joining the sentence. Madhavi is neither intelligent nor poor. Neither nor are the linking devices. They are going to joining the sentence. I like Raju and Ravi and is the linking device. He is working as a clerk in the bank. As is the linking device. Kannada movies are better than English movies. Than is the linking device. He has been working since 5 years in that college. Then, since in this sentence is the linking device. As a result is the linking device that we are going to using in a sentence. There was a heavy rain here. As a result, the roads were damaged. As a result is the linking device. So that I guide them so that they perform better. So that is the linking device. I guide them so that they perform better. In order, he worked hard in order to become rich. In order is the linking device in a sentence. So has to. She ran fast so as to win the race. So as to is the linking device. Besides being a freedom fighter, Gandhi was a philosopher. Beside is the linking device. As well as she learns English as well as French. And as well as the linking device in a sentence. Due to due to heavy rain, the match is called off. Match is called due. Due to is the linking device in a sentence. Sushma will be sick unless she stops eating. Then unless is the linking device in a sentence. Even if even if they invite me, I won't go there. Then even if it is the linking device. Only if you can go out only if you finish your homework. Then only if only if is the sentence. Like this, there are many examples are there for linking devices. Linking devices are more important in a sentence. If we have to continue a sentence means we need of linking devices in a sentence. So English grammar has many rules. Then according to that rules we are going to moving. Without rules means it is not highly possible to frame a sentence, to frame a word. Then for every words, for every sentence we have rules, that is parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunctions, interjections, then articles. There are many parts of speech. There are many parts of speech which are helpful to the students to improve the language skill and as well as communicative skill in English. So, in this video, the students should know how the importance of conjunctions in a sentence. Then they are going to join in a sentence, joining a clause, joining a phrase, joining a word. For that, we are going to using this conjunction. Then now I am going to now I am concluding this video. Thank you, one and all.